Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our channel. We're going to be making Wara, that is tofu in English, and we decided to add some groundnut to the soya bean to top up the protein. So the first thing to do is to wash thoroughly the soya bean and soak overnight or soak for some hours, like 3, 4 or 6 hours. Now that it's well soaked, just endeavor to wash thoroughly and clean it, remove the skin. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, do like, leave a comment, engage on our posts, and do tell others to tell others to tell others to subscribe to our channel. Okay, now we're clean the soya bean and groundnuts, washed and blended. You can blend in batches to avoid overworking the blender. So the soya bean and groundnut have finally been blended into smooth paste. The next thing now is to sieve out the milk. Add enough water to enable the milk extract completely, but do not add too much water. That will waste your time while heating it. So ensure you extract all the milk from the shaft. Find a way to extract all the milk from the shaft. Once you are done doing that, I think it's 2 batches. Once you're done with this, you can go on to the next batch. Tofu made from soya bean is very rich in calcium and iron. It contains plant chemicals that help to lower our blood pressure. Then it also helps to prevent some heart diseases. It contains a substantial amount of magnesium. This makes it a healthy alternative to meat, especially beef. So once you are done extracting your milk, then you place it on fire. Make sure you watch closely, because once it starts getting very hot, the milk may tend to overflow in the pot, and you wouldn't want that kind of mess. So just watch closely. Once it starts boiling, then you use a turning spoon on it to maintain its pressure. You just turn it for a while. It's hot enough, so it's almost cooked or cooked at this time. Then you pour in your lemon juice. Your lemon juice is used as a coagulant. You can use other coagulants like pap water. So at this point, the milk has coagulated. So our soya bean curd is ready. What we're going to do now is turn it over, strain it. We're going to strain it, remove the water, then strain the curd. Look for a way to strain all the water out of this curd. You can use a heavy equipment to place on it, so in order to press it, because at this point it's really very hot. So find a way to tie it up, then you look for how to press it down with a heavy equipment or anything with weight, just to press it down to extract all the water. If you have a machine to do this, then good and fine, don't need to go through this process. So what I did was just align plates and on top of each other, then even top it with yam. So if you have any other alternative you can use. So I left this for some hours, like about 2 hours, and it strained out all the water from it. Now we are left with our tofu, our fresh tofu. This is how it looks like. So the water strained, you just pour it away. So now you can slice your tofu into a desired shape and sizes. You can have them cut in sauces, stew, or wherever you like it. Or you can have it fried or cooked in any sauce of your choice. Our tofu is ready. The raw one can be refrigerated to preserve it. It has to be refrigerated in a very chilled environment. I don't know about putting it in freezer, but just have it refrigerated. You know, protein food easily spoil fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to tell others to subscribe. Once you have updates, you can always be notified. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.